Virgin Mobile and PCS Vision from Sprint. Best Buy. Go ahead, turn on the fun.
Swing higher.
Higher?
Higher.
Yeah.
Hey!
No.
What did you do?
They smell blood. Yours. Direct evolution from Acclaim, the scent of blood. Rated mature.
There's something you don't see every day, unless you're us.
With all new reasons to slay. Go back to school and back to cool with Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
I'm like a superhero or something.
Season premiere, Tuesday at 8, 7 Central on UPN.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas, including Lincoln, Uinta, Sweetwater, Carbon, Albany, Platte, Goshen, and Laramie counties, effective until 2:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. As of 2 p.m., an overwhelming amount of people have been affected by a broadcast hijack that took place not too long ago. Symptoms of being affected can vary, but are mainly psychosis and delirium. If you have been affected by this hijack, call 911 immediately. If you aren't affected, immediately turn off your television and leave it off until it is safe to turn back on. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information when it becomes available.